Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your start menu in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I have several methods to do it, so let's get started. So the first method is to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. And you will get this, click on Task Manager. After you're in Task Manager, scroll down until you see Windows Explorer, this one. And click on this Restart. And your screen might go black for like 1 second or 2-3 seconds. And now test your start if it's working. If it's still not working, go to File, Run New Task. Here type in PowerShell and create this task with administrative privileges. Tick this, click OK. And now once we are here, go and type in sfc then dash scan now, like this, and press enter. We just have to wait this, and this will take some time, so we have to wait this to complete 100%. So if the SFC scan now did not work, we can try another method, which is to again go to Task Manager with Ctrl Alt and Delete. Again click on Task Manager, and again go to File, go to Run a New Task, create this task with administrative privileges, PowerShell of course, and click OK. Now we need this command, so this will reset every app. Just to know, this will reset all the settings on all apps. So I'm gonna paste this code and just click and just press enter. And we had to wait for this to finish, of course. So if resetting all the apps did not work, I have one more method, which is to press Windows key and plus R. And now we're gonna type msconfig, like this, msconfig, click OK. And here go to boot and click on safe mode. And click on OK. And restart your PC. And once you're in safe mode, just go again to press Windows key and plus R, and you will get this. Just go to msconfig, type in msconfig, click OK. And once you are here, go again to boot and just untick this and click OK and restart your PC again. So the last method, if that does not work, go to File, New Task, and here type in System Reset, like this, click OK. And here you can keep your files or you can remove your files. If you do this, it's possible that will be fixed, but if you do this, it will fix 100% will fix this, but everything will be removed and reinstalled. So I'm gonna go with this one because I want to see if this works. So if this does not work, then I will go with the remove everything. So that's pretty much it. Just follow the steps from here. Just go and follow the steps, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.